How to protect a video on a website, where people will not be able to download, steal, or link to your videos and steal your bandwidth. Video storage service. Do not serve your videos directly from your media library in WordPress. I have tried many plugins and I have not found a plugin that can truly protect your videos. It is best to use a video serving service or a video storage website. A video storage website will store your videos and serve the videos on your website with little bandwidth taken from your website. The best part is that they have security to protect your videos. I use a video storage website called Muse.ai. Muse used to be almost free, but now you have to pay $60 a year. Muse protects your videos from being downloaded and linked. I will put a link to Muse in the description below. This is the back end of Muse. As you can see, I have all of my videos stored here. The first thing you have to do is select the box at the top right side corner of a video. This will show controls at the bottom of the page. At the bottom of the page, click the Change Visibility icon. In this window, select the second icon called Unlisted. At the bottom of this window, select the Configure Video Restrictions icon. In this window, you are telling Muse what website is allowed to show this video. If you leave it blank, then Muse will not show your video on yours or any website. Now type in the root name of your website, and as you see here, use the asterisk symbol. This tells Muse to show your video only on these websites, and any subdomain of these websites. Now, click the X at the top to close this window. At the bottom of this page, click the icon called Share. Muse gives you different options to show your video. The standard option, which is the first option, will show the video with the video title, description, and transcript. The second option will show the video with no video title, no description, and no transcript. Select the second option. Then at the top, select the last icon. This icon is the code icon. Now your video should pop up. On the right side, you have different options. The first option says to use iframe. iframe is the best option, but it only works with the Pro version of many page builders. Thus, it will not work with the WordPress page builder. Plus, one of the methods I will show you how to do, is how to use the free version of the page builder called Elementor. Next, make sure all three controls are checked off. Especially, the second control called linkback is checked off. If linkback is checked on, then your video will not be protected. The link to your video will not be encoded or encrypted. Now click Copy at the bottom. Now paste what you just copied to a Microsoft Word or a text editor. This code is the link to the video, and it also has the video player attached. And then click the X at the top to close this window. Now let go to the WordPress page builder and add this video to the website. Adding a video to a website. I am going to use the free page builder called Elementor. The free version can build your whole website. However, what I will show will work for almost every page builder. The page builder Elementor has video tutorials. I will put a link to these tutorials in the description below. The Pro version of Elementor is amazing. It costs $50 a year. Here are 4 examples of what you can do with the Pro version of Elementor. I will leave a link to these websites in the description below. For this website, as I move down the page, the color of the bag changes. No explanation is needed here. They created a custom mouse cursor that displays different images of their work. They created a custom mouse cursor where a small dot is following a big dot. When there is something to click on, the dots change into a circle. Now, let's install and activate the page builder called Elementor. I am not going to go into detail on how to install a plugin because at this point you should know how to do this. The theme I am using is called Astra. The Astra theme is easy to use and has good security built into it. Now, let's add a new post. At the top, click the settings icon. Scroll down and make sure that categories, tags, and discussions are all checked off. Go back to the top and click Astra Settings. Every theme has its own set of settings. First, click No Sidebar. Next, click Full Width Stretched. Now click everything you see here, such as Disable Above Header, Disable Primary Header, Disable Below Header. However, do not disable the last one, which says Disable Footer. Now go to the top and click Edit with Elementor. Now click on the plus icon, and then select one column. Now click in the column and then drag the heading widget into the column. WordPress calls these controls blocks, and Elementor and everyone else calls them widgets. Now give the heading a name. If this was the main heading, I would give it a tag of H1 and not H2. Now I will center the heading. Now click on the Style tab at the top. Go to Typography and click the Edit icon. Go down to the control called Decoration, and click Underline. Now click on the Text Color control. As you can see, the title is now underlined, and the color of the text is black. Most of these programs are easy to work with, the problem is finding where the controls are located. Now let's go to the Advanced tab at the top, and change the margins. As you can see, you can change all 4 margins at the same time, or each margin one at a time. I am going to increase the top margin. Now click on the plus icon, and then select 2 columns. Now click in the first column, and then drag the heading widget into the column. Now give the heading a name, and give it the tag of H2. I am going to delete the second column because search engines do not like widgets that do not have some kind of control in them. Now click the first column. Then go to the Advanced tab. Now increase the left margin. Now click on the plus icon, and then select 2 columns. Now click in the first column and then drag the shortcode widget into the column. Now paste in the code you copied from Muse. Then click Apply. Now on the top right of the video, click on the blue Edit icon. Now on the left side, go to the Advanced tab. Now increase the left margin. Now let's review what we did. Go to the bottom and click the eye icon. Now let's add some text to the right side of the video. Click in the second column, and drag the text widget into the column. You can make the text have bullet points, bold, underline, etc. You can have the text be a link to another website or document. Highlight the text and then click the link icon, and paste in the link. Do not forget to click Apply. Now let's review what we did. Go to the bottom and click the eye icon. As you can see, when I click on the link it takes me to another website. Or, the link can open any document such as a Microsoft Word document or a PDF document. Then people can download the document. To undo a change you made, go to the bottom and click the history icon. This will show a list of all the changes you made. If you select one of these items, then the top item will be removed or undone.
If you like this video, then hit subscribe, so that YouTube will show it to more people.